I got these sweet safety glasses. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you them. They got a black frame around them, which I didn't realize. Kind of like the way they look when they're on. They look like regular glasses, but they have the protection here. That's really what I was looking for. And on the top, I'm not sure how many times. Actually, usually stuff blows in from underneath into your eye. Not a lot of times doesn't come from the top, but it has both top and bottom. They do fit real nice and tight, so they don't, they don't fall off. I sometimes have an issue. I don't have like a wider head. I kind of have a thinner head, so sometimes glasses fall off, and these fit me pretty tight. I think if you had a wider head or a rounder head or maybe a bigger head, however you want to explain it, they might be a little tight because on me they're perfect. But let's see, they do have some flex. Oh, they do have, wow, they're very flexible. So, I guess that's designed. They do fold up. There you go. I like these.